Hey everyone, I've decided to try something a bit different today and start a brand new series called How It's Made. I'll be showing you the process behind my 3D simulations and explaining how everything works. This is the very first episode and today I'm going to show you how I created that magnetic field simulation. Hope you find it interesting. Let's dive in. First of all, let's create a disk to act as our floor. Next, we'll add a sphere and set up some keyframes for our animation. We'll add a vibrate tag and activate it starting from frame 160, right when the sphere reaches its highest point. Now add another sphere. We'll need one more disk. And then apply a cloner to the small sphere. Set the mode to object and pick our disk as the source. Change the distribution to edge. Now, by adjusting the disk segments, we can easily control the number of balls in our scene. Let's lift the disk and height to keep the cloner elevated. Okay, apply a rigid body tag to the cloner. And the collider body tag to the floor disk. Also add a rigid body to the main sphere. And set both follow position and follow rotation to 10. Perfect. Now let's add an attractor, parent it and center it inside the large sphere. Make sure to exclude the sphere itself from the attractor's influence. Boost the strength to 5000. And let's add more balls. Hope you found this helpful. Thank you for watching and bye.